Dear friends, welcome back to another video. Did you know that most cyber attacks remain undetected for more than 200 days? That means an attacker could be inside your systems silently stealing data before anyone even notices. Scary, right? But here's the good news. Microsoft Sentinel can change that. Microsoft Sentinel is a cloud-native security information and event management, SIEM, and security orchestration, automation, and response SOAR solution that provides unified security operations across multi-cloud and multi-platform environments. It leverages AI-powered threat detection and hunting, integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft security services, and features a cost-effective data lake for security data storage and analysis. In this video, we'll explore exactly what Microsoft Sentinel is, why it's such a game changer for cybersecurity, and also this will help you in preparing for the interview of a security administrator. Let's dive in. What is Microsoft Sentinel? It's a cloud-native SIEM collects and correlates security data from multiple sources with built-in scalability and no infrastructure management required. It also has SOAR capabilities, automates threat response through intelligent playbooks and orchestrated security workflows across your environment. And it has AI-powered detection, uses machine learning and behavioral analytics to detect advanced threats and reduce false positives. Now let's first understand how Sentinel differs from traditional SIEM. Cloud-native architecture scales automatically without infrastructure management, eliminating hardware constraints and maintenance overhead. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Cost-effective model based on data ingestion volume, reducing upfront capital investments and operational costs. Built-in AI analytics, advanced machine learning algorithms provide intelligent threat detection and behavioral analysis out of the box. Deep Microsoft integration, seamless connectivity with Microsoft 365, Azure, and Defender Suite for comprehensive security visibility. What are the core components of Microsoft Sentinel? First one, data connectors collect logs from Azure AD, Office 365, firewalls, and third-party security tools with pre-built integrations. Analytics rules, configurable detection logic to identify suspicious activities and generate security alerts automatically. Hunting queries, proactive threat hunting capabilities with pre-built and custom KQL queries for advanced investigations. Log analytics workspace, centralized storage, and powerful query engine for security data analysis and long-term retention. Workbooks, interactive visualization dashboards for security metrics, trends, and operational insights. Playbooks, automated response workflows built on logic apps for immediate threat mitigation and orchestrated actions. Microsoft Sentinel supports integration with below data sources. Within Microsoft ecosystem, it supports Azure Active Directory logs, Microsoft 365 security events, Defender Suite telemetry, Intune device management. Within on-premises infrastructure, it can integrate with Windows Server security logs, DNS query logs, network firewall events, domain controller activities, and with third-party security tools it supports Palo Alto Networks firewalls, Cisco ASA security appliances, AWS CloudTrail audit logs, Google Cloud Platform events. Moving on, Custo query language in Sentinel. KQL powers queries, analytics rules, threat hunting, and workbook visualizations throughout the Sentinel platform. Security analysts leverage KQL for detecting anomalies, investigating incidents, and building custom dashboards that provide actionable insights. Below is one of the sample query to detect multiple failed logins. What are Sentinel's threat detection methods? First one, built-in analytics rules, pre-configure detection templates for common attack patterns like brute force attempts and privilege escalation. Second, custom detection rules, organization-specific KQL-based rules tailored to your unique environment and threat landscape. Third, threat intelligence integration, automated ingestion, and matching of indicators of compromise, IOCAs, from global threat intelligence feeds. Fourth, Fusion AI Engine, advanced correlation technology that combines signals across the entire Microsoft security ecosystem. Now let's understand on how we can respond to brute force attack alert raised by Sentinel. Firstly, incident validation. Review alert details in Sentinel's incident pane, examining severity, affected entities, and initial indicators. Secondly, deep investigation. Execute targeted KQL queries to analyze related logs, user behavior patterns, and attack timeline. Then after automated response, trigger playbooks to block malicious IP addresses in firewall and enforce MFA reset for compromised accounts. After that, root cause analysis. Conduct thorough investigation to identify attack vectors, document findings, and implement preventive measures. Now let's understand about Sentinel playbooks. Playbooks are automated workflows built on Azure Logic apps that enable immediate, consistent response to security incidents. Common playbook examples: automatically block malicious IP addresses in network firewalls, disable compromised user accounts and reset passwords, send detailed incident notifications to SOC teams via Teams or email, enrich alerts with threat intelligence data, create tickets in ITSM systems for tracking. Key benefit of using playbooks: they reduce mean time to response (MTTR) by automating repetitive security tasks and ensuring consistent incident handling. Moving on, how to implement SOAR capabilities. Implementing security orchestration, automation, and response capabilities to streamline incident management and accelerate threat response workflows. First, automation rules. Configure trigger-based actions that automatically execute when incidents meet specific criteria, reducing manual intervention and response time. Second, logic apps playbooks build orchestrated response workflows that can isolate endpoints in Defender ATP, block IPs, or gather additional context from external systems. Third, ITSM integration. Seamlessly connect with ServiceNow, Jira, or other ticketing systems to automatically create, update, and track incident tickets throughout the response lifecycle. Now let's learn how Sentinel supports threat hunting. Firstly, through KQL-based hunting queries. Write custom Custo queries to proactively search for indicators of compromise and suspicious patterns across your environment's telemetry data. Secondly, by bookmarks and notebooks, mark suspicious events for investigation and leverage Jupyter notebooks with Python for advanced machine learning-based threat analysis and pattern recognition. Add on threat indicators from integrated intelligence feeds, automatically enrich hunting queries, providing context about known malicious artifacts and TTPs. Moving on to cost optimization. To reduce cost use, following approach. Pre-ingestion filtering. Implement data collection rules to filter out unnecessary logs before they reach Sentinel, reducing ingestion volume and associated costs. Basic log steer. Route low-value events to the basic log steer for significant cost savings while maintaining searchability for compliance requirements. Retention optimization. Configure intelligent retention policies, such as 30 days for high-volume logs versus 90 days for critical security events, balancing cost and compliance. Add-on. Leverage Microsoft 365 Defender integration for free log ingestion and schedule automated data export to cheaper Azure storage for long-term archival needs. Now review the difference between Sentinel and Microsoft Defender for cloud. First one, Defender is Cloud Security Posture Management, CSPM. However, Sentinel is Security Information Event Management, CM. Second, Defender is a Cloud Workload Protection Platform, CWPP. On the other hand, Sentinel is Security Orchestration Automated Response, SOAR. Another difference, Defender does compliance assessments and recommendations. However, Sentinel performs log aggregation and correlation across environments. Next one, Defender do vulnerability management for cloud resources. On the other hand, Sentinel does advanced threat detection and hunting. Additionally, Defender for cloud generates security alerts and recommendations, which Sentinel then ingests and correlates with signals from other data sources to provide comprehensive threat detection and response. Let's understand fusion technology in Sentinel. ML-based correlation, advanced machine learning algorithms analyze patterns across multiple data sources to identify complex attack scenarios. Multi-stage attack detection automatically connects seemingly unrelated security events to reveal sophisticated, multi-phase attack campaigns. Alert fatigue reduction correlates multiple low-fidelity alerts into a single high-confidence incident, dramatically improving SOC efficiency. Now we will learn how to integrate Sentinel with third-party solutions. Native data connectors utilize built-in connectors supporting CEF, syslog, and API formats for standardized log ingestion from security tools and infrastructure. For AWS CloudTrail integration, deploy dedicated CloudTrail connector to ingest AWS security events, API calls, and resource changes for comprehensive cloud visibility. To integrate with Palo Alto Networks, configure syslog and CEF connector to collect firewall logs, threat intelligence, and security events from Palo Alto security platforms. For custom REST API connectors, build custom connectors using Azure Logic Apps and REST APIs when native connectors aren't available for proprietary or legacy systems. Moving to next one. Measure SOC performance with Sentinel. Mean time to detect average time from threat entry to detection by security tools and analysts. Mean time to respond average duration from incident detection to complete resolution and remediation. Automation rate percentage of security responses handled automatically versus manual intervention. Additionally, fusion rule effectiveness track reduction in false positives through ML-based correlation and multi-signal analysis. And incident resolution tracking monitor ratio of incidents closed at Tier 1 versus those requiring escalation to senior analysts. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Hope it has been helpful and you are ready to enhance your Microsoft Sentinel implementation and optimize your Security Operations Center performance. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Till then, take care.